I never noticed any shawty like this. She fine like mommy water, she a fish. Enter my boat or I drown in your sea. Your type for overseas they never see. Want your way, show me what you got. I go spray money through to God. I know they won't make anybody dull.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabel and I'm so happy that you stopped by. Thank you. And then we're doing a cooking video today, so you're welcome to my kitchen. So I'm going to be teaching you guys how to prepare Nigerian coconut fried rice. It's really simple, nothing too serious. I'll just show you the list of ingredients that I have here for now, and as time goes on I'm going to show you more ingredients. That's if I'm going to include more ingredients to this. You know, while cooking, the spirit might just minister to me that, oh girl, add something. And I'm just going to add it or any other thing or some bay leaves. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to show you guys everything that I have here. First, I have my carrot. It's been nicely diced and it's just sitting pretty, waiting to be used. Secondly, I have my green peas. It's diced nicely as well. And then I have my vegetable oil. This particular oil, I already used it to fry my chicken. So I fried my chicken already with the oil. I'm still going to use it to prepare the coconut rice. But if you have coconut oil, it's better. I mean, it's coconut rice, so if you have coconut oil at home, use it instead of vegetable oil. Next, I have my green bell pepper, nicely diced. I was unable to get the yellow and red bell peppers, so if you're not able to get any of them, you can just use only the green or only the red. But if you have access to them, why not use all of them for that extra color and flavor. Next is my favorite, some chopped onions. I cannot do without onions. I can hardly eat anything that doesn't have onions. I mean, you must include onion in everything that I am eating. So I have them nicely chopped. Next is my coconut milk. It's coconut rice, so why not? And then also I have some coconut powder. Just in case the milk is not enough, I'm going to add this. I have my rice. I already washed it. What I did with this rice was I soaked it in hot water, like boiling water. I soaked it for 10 minutes. And then I washed it very well just to remove the excess starch. I washed it. Just make sure you wash your rice very well. If you want to go ahead and parboil, you're free to do that. But me, I'm not going to parboil it. That's why I washed it very well. So you're interested in learning how to make this dish, then please stick with me. And then if there's any other dish you want me to teach you how to prepare, any other Nigerian dish, just let me know. I'm gladly going to do that, okay? We're in the cooking season, we're in the food spirit. So just let me know, you guys. So let's get right into this video. The first thing you want to do is heat up some oil and then turn your washed rice in the oil, okay? And then stir. This step is absolutely skippable. To be honest, guys, I do not do this all the time because I know how to control my rice. You know, the major reason why this is done is to prevent your rice from being sticky. You don't want your rice sticking together. You want them to come out single and separate from each other. You know, so I know how to control the water. You're going to do this until it turns brown, like so. This is the color we've been looking for, but it's absolutely skippable. Like I said, do not forget, okay?
My fans, hey, I know this so fine anybody. If you wanna do your thing, but don't stop to the dance. It is very essential for the body. Everybody just dance. When the government is bad, cause stealing is good, just dance. Always singing the book God, but your rents never come, just dance. Hey. Make everybody take two. Anything waiting for table. I wanna see you when you dance, baby, tutu. I want to give you a jima, baby, tutu. Ayaka yiki yaka pepe. Show the switchy at the pepe. Carry body, baby, baby. Today be today, day. Hey, I know they disturb anybody. If you wanna be my friend, be my friend. Hey, I know they want I like your cousin. If she wanna dance, make she dance. Hey, my name is Dotty, everybody. Gang. If you wanna be my fans, then my fans.
Now I'm going to add my carrots. Basically, all the vegetables will go in right now. Lastly, I'm throwing in my green pepper because I want it to be very crunchy. So I'm not going to leave this for so long.
She was still good, this good. Ronaldo is a goal. Oh, inside net. Can I put my body inside net? Yeah, inside net. Baby, can I put my body inside net? Inside net, inside.
I'm going to use the coconut powder. I'm going to add some water, mix it up properly, and then I'm going to pour it in. Now, ooh. You can use the coconut milk for this. It's just that I'm obsessed with that powder. Oh, this is so good.
Baby, can I put my body inside net? I never noticed any shawty like this. She fine like mommy water, she a fish. Enter my boat or I drown in your sea. Your type for overseas they never see. Want your way, show me what you got. I go spray money through to God.
Exactly how I want it. Oh my god. Ooh. I'm going to place this down and just mix it with the rice, and that's all. Okay? I'm just going to mix everything together. Normally, I'm supposed to put the rice in the sauce, but because I used a small pot, I'm doing it the opposite way. There are no rules to these things, you know. Ooh. Wow.
Always singing the book God, but your rents never come. Just dance, 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 just dance. Hey. Make everybody take two. Take two, two. Anything waiting for table. Take two, two. I wanna see you when you dance, baby, two, two. I want to give you a jima, baby, two,
Our
two.
coconut fried rice is ready. So colorful. Yum yum. I'm going to dish this now, you know, and eat it for you guys to see my mouth. Guys, the food is ready. I had such a great time with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned very well how to prepare this meal. If you had any issues trying this, just drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to tell you the solution. I'm going to tell you what you did not do right. But I'm sure if you had followed everything, you're not going to make a mistake. It's pretty easy to cook. Thank you guys for joining me. I'm going to see you guys in my next video, but before then, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. Share this video with your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and do not forget that I love you. Yes, I love you. Guys, I got to go chow my food now. Bye.
Inside net, inside net. Can I put my body inside net?